Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on the 68 Mustang again. You all know it's an FE engine that I'm going to be building for this car. It's about 482 cubic inches, but it's also going to get power adders, and that's going to be 2 turbos. What I need to do here is figure out where I'm going to mount them. I think I've left enough space for turbocharger mounting to be done right here and right here. Piping can come front, around, and in to the carb hat. And I think that's going to work out pretty well. No. Sorry, on the wrong end of the car. Turbos are going back here. Plan is rear mount turbochargers for this thing. I'm looking at single exhaust run up along the driver's side underneath, and then we're going to wire it off in the back and plumb it into these 2 inlets for the exhaust turbine housing. And then the exhaust will exit through the exhaust turbine housing right there. It's going to go down through there and pop out down here like factory exhaust. At least that's what the plan is, but we'll see if that's feasible. Current location of the turbos is about where they're going to be. I think I got to bring them up about 1 inch higher. They're going to get K&N filters on the front. Going to be pulling fresh air out from inside the trunk. Not exactly sure how I'm going to handle the air because I worry about air getting inside the trunk and causing the car to be a little unstable. I don't know whether to vent the tail panel in the back to release any air pressure, or to vent the trunk hatch somehow through the voids there in the bracing. Maybe I could put some vents in there. Leave your suggestions in the comments. Kind of curious to see if anybody's done anything like this before, what their opinion is. I'm always open to good suggestions. And then with the exhaust from the engine run all the way up here into the turbos, there's the outlet for the compressor housing, compressor side, cold side. That'll be run out, and I think it's going to be run down and underneath the car. I'd originally thought about running it through the driver's compartment and then up and then out through the firewall right in this area right here. Not sure about that. May just bring it up along the underneath of the car and up right about through here in this location, up through the back into the hat. A lot of fabrication needed to be done, a lot of things to figure out, but I think that's the plan so far. Again, anybody who has any comments, suggestions, please feel free to leave them below. Really appreciate anybody's opinion on this. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.